Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Transferring cryptocurrency from your crypto.com accounts to an on-chain wallet is simple but requires careful steps to avoid errors. So let us begin, guys. Firstly, open up crypto.com, launch the app. You can log in using your PIN, biometric ID, or two-factor authentication. After that, tap on the wallet icon on the home screen, select the crypto asset you want to transfer. Tap on Withdraw, choose External Wallet or On-Chain Wallet as your withdrawal method. If your on-chain wallet's address isn't already saved, tap Add Address, Wallet Address. Select the correct network to match your on-chain wallet type. Carefully paste your on-chain wallet address or scan its QR code, which is simpler. Name the wallet for future reference. After that, just tap on Confirm to complete the verification. Choose your saved on-chain wallet from the list, input the amount of crypto you wish to transfer, review the network fees, and proceed. After that, double-check the wallet's address and the amount, tap on Confirm, and you'll receive a confirmation email and notification once the transaction is processed. After that, open your on-chain account to verify the transaction and check the history to confirm the funds have arrived. And that's basically it. If you experience delays or issues, consult Crypto.com's support or the Onchain's Wallet Help Center for assistance. Guys, it's very simple. Thank you for watching. Hopefully to see you in our channel next time, next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.